Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Question number 26. Human body needs a constant supply of protein to survive. The first part of digestive system to begin digesting protein is option A mouth, option B stomach, option C small intestine, option D large intestine. Right answer is option A mouth. Question number 27. In a college, the number of students studying arts, commerce, and science are in the ratio of 4:7:9. If the number of students in arts, commerce, and science be increased by 30%, 20%, and 40% respectively, what will be the new ratio? Option A 24:40:64. Option B 26:40:60. Option C 26:42:63. Option D 22:40:60. Right option is option C. Question number 28. A patient is to be given 12 units of insulin. If 1 ml of insulin solution contains 40 units, how much insulin is to be given in 1 ml? Option A 0.5 ml, option B 0.4 ml, option C 0.3 ml, option D 0.2 ml. Right option is option C 0.3 ml to be given. Number 29. Person of AB blood group are universal receptor because option A they can receive blood from person of all blood group. B they have no antibody in their blood. Option C they lack antigens. Option D they have a special protein in their blood plasma that inhibit clotting. Right option is option B they have no antibody in their blood. Radiocarbon dating is used to estimate the age of option A babies, option B fossils, option C rocks, option D ancient building. Right option is option B fossils यानी जीवाश्म. Question number 31. The first edition of Khelo India game was held from 31st January to 8 February 2018 at New Delhi. The state got highest number of gold medals. Option A Karnataka, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Haryana, option D Punjab. Correct answer is option C Haryana. Number 32. BCG vaccine is given for the prevention of option A polio, option B TB, option C diphtheria, option D tetanus. Correct answer is option B tuberculosis. Question number 33. On dividing a certain number by 342, we get 47 as remainder. What will be the remainder if the same number is divided by 80? Option A 11, option B 15, option C 17, option D 13. Correct option is option A 11. Question number 34. From the given options, select the right number which will complete the series. 4, 9, 16, 25. Option A 36, option B 38, option C 43, option D 46. Correct answer is option A 36. Question number 35. The salivary gland secretes saliva which contains the enzyme. Option A pepsin, option B renin, option C tyline, option D lipase. Correct answer is Option C. Tiling. Question number 36. Extrapyramidal symptoms are side effect of option A. Antipsychotics, option B. Antimanics, option C. Antidepressants, option D. Anti-Parkinson agents. Correct answer is option A. Antipsychotic medicine are cause extrapyramidal symptoms. Question number 37. The amount of ORS oral rehydration solution to be given after each stool for children less than 24 months is option A 40 ml to 55 ml, option B as wanted, option C 10 ml to 30 ml, option D for 50 ml to 100 ml. Correct option is option D 50 ml to 100 ml. Question number 38. The nearest planet to the Sun is option A Venus, option B Mars, option C Mercury, option D Jupiter. Correct answer is option C Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Question number 39. Retina in eyes act as a option A lens in the camera, option B shutter in the camera, option C film in the camera, option D none of these. Correct option is option C film in the camera. 40. The largest tribe in India is option A Todas, option B Gonds, option C Chenchas, option D Geros. Correct option is option B Gonds. Question number 41. A thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 100 meters. When the policeman starts the chase, the thief also starts running. If the speed of thief be 8 km per hour and that of the policeman 10 km per hour, how far the thief will have run before he is overtaken? Option A 380 meters, option B 400 meters, option C 375 meters, option D 410 meters. Correct option is option B 400 meters. Number 42. The possible causes of retention of urine include except option A urethral obstruction, option B surgery and trauma, option C drug like albendazole, option D decreased stimulation of muscles of bladder. Correct option is option C drug like albendazole. Number 43. Which of the following is the largest digestive gland in humans? Option A spleen, option B liver, option C pancreas, option D hepatopancreas. The correct option is option B liver. Question number 44. In olden days when the refrigerator did not exist, it was customary to boil milk twice or thrice in a day to prevent it from becoming sour. The reason being option A denaturation of milk protein casein, option B killing lactobacilli that convert milk into curd, option C pasteurization of milk, option D all of these. Correct option is option B killing lactobacilli that convert milk into curd. Question number 45. The price of 10 chairs is equal to that 4 tables. The price of 15 chairs and 2 tables together is Rs 4000. Find the total price of 12 chairs and 3 tables. Option A Rs 3800, option B Rs 3815, option C Rs 3900, option D 3915. Correct option is option C 3900. Question number 46. Which one of the following is listed as fundamental right? Option A, right to housing. Option B, right to health. Option C, right to livelihood. Option D, right to freedom of faith. Correct answer is option D, right to freedom of faith. 47. Who is the President of India? Option A, Shri Rajnath Singh. Option B, Shri Ramnath Kovind. Option C, Shri Arun Jaitley. Option D, Shri Nitin Gadkari. Correct answer is option B, Shri Ramnath Kovind. Question number 48. If the price of tea is increased by 20%, by how much percent must be consumption of tea be dismissed so as not to increase the expenditure? Option A, 14 to 3%. Option B, 18 1/3%. C, 16 2/3%. Option D, 14 1/3%. Correct answer is C, 16 2/3%. Question number 49. The effects of aspirin do not include option A, reduction of fever. Option B, reduction of prostaglandin synthesis in implant tissue. Option C, reduction of bleeding tendency. Option D, impaired auto-regulation of kidney function. Correct answer is option C, reduction of bleeding tendency. Question number 15. Which of the following are the four basic types of tissue that the body contains? Option A, epithelial, connective, muscles and nervous tissue. Option B, loose, dense connective, dense regular and dense irregular. Option C, bone, cartilage, gland and adipose tissue. Option D, muscles, cartilage, glandular and connective tissue. Correct answer is option A, epithelial, connective, muscles and nervous tissue. Thank you for watching our video.